Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find all your purchase apps and games from App Store on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on App Store. In here, go down and tap on Personalized Recommendations. Then we go down and tap on Purchase Apps and Games, and then tap on My Purchases. And in here you can view all of your past purchases and any app that you have previously downloaded. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.